Good morning, my friends. This is Mariana Crawford, and this is another episode of
Glam MC in the place to be. If you like makeup, just wait and see. These videos will teach you something. If you like it, thumbs up it. Subscribe to my channel if you like my stuff. I'll appreciate it greatly. Give it up.
Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, and I'm going to take you along with me to Raw Republic, where they sell very good smoothies and healthy food to eat. And also I'm going to go to Ulta because I need to dye my roots. Like, I'm in desperate need to dye my roots, and I need to get some hair dye, and we're just gonna glam it up today. I really need it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna use my Pixie Skin Treats Vitamin Wake Up Mist. Face is feeling really dry right now, so I'm gonna put that on first. Dry it out. Oh, and then I'm gonna put a very nice moisturizing primer on. Okay, for primer, I'm gonna use my Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. It's one of my favorites. It does leave like a dewiness to the skin once you put it on. And it smells like coconut, which is a big plus for me because I love stuff that smells nice. And coconut smell is definitely awesome for me. My face is still feeling a little tiny bit dry, so I'm going to take my Farsali oil and rose elixir, and I'm going to put that on my skin. My face feels so much better now. Oh my goodness, I needed that. For my lips, I'm going to go ahead and put on my Lip Service Patchology. My lips are feeling a little bit dry as well. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 220. I don't know what's wrong with my hair lately, but I think I need to cut it or something because it's been acting up. Been dry and coarse and I don't know, just been weird. So I think I need to dye it, cut it, do a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, so in the meantime, let's go ahead and get ready. Use my beauty blender to apply my foundation. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of Shape Tape. For powder, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier powder. Alright, so Laura Mercier, mattified and blurred a little bit. I'm going to use my Making Faces Beauty Book to contour and bronze. As you can see, I hit pan already, which is good. I'm going to use my crown brush to bronze my skin. I'm going to use my Soft Angle Contour Sigma brush, F23. I'm going to dip into the Cool Toned bronzer. I think that's good enough. I'm going to go into my Shador blush using my Bobbi Brown face blender. This is Shador. This is one of the blushes for my project fan too. It is the perfect shade for this shirt that I'm wearing. I love blush. The Brow Gal Instant Light Hair. I don't know why they gave me a light haired one, but I'm gonna put it on. Okay, now I'm gonna use a little bit of the brow gel to set. Today I'm going to do the third look with my Persona palette. This is the Persona Identity palette. I'm going to try to use a little bit more mattes. Yesterday what I didn't like was that I put too much of the shimmery shades on, and I didn't like that. So I'm going to try to put a little bit more mattes today. Okay, I'm using the brown Doesn't seem to want to blend. I'm going to use my SL Miss Glam, and this one is a smaller blending brush. I'm going to see if maybe that will help. This brown shade is really hard to blend. I don't like that. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of the Humble and put it on the top. Alright, so I put a little bit of Humble on top of it. Humble is this matte pink. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of Sassy. So that's Sassy on this side. I'm going to try to put a little bit of Seductive, which is this one, next to Sassy. It's rosy pink. Okay, now I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I'm going to take a little bit of the same Seductive, rosy pink, and put it right under my eye, connecting it with the outer V. Now a little bit of, I'm going to use my Kat Von D liner. Alright, I wanted a really soft eyeliner wing, very, very small. And now for some lashes, I'm going to be using my Tarte Lash Paint mascara. Because of the white in the bottom of it, it looks, my mascara shows up more because I have white under it, and I think that's really pretty. This eye look I thought was a disaster when I first started because the first two shades, the brown and the dark purple, didn't want to blend that well, and I muddied the Humble on top of the brown to try to like tone it down, and it just didn't look right. Then I put orange all on the lower lid, and it just looked terrible. So I did the cut crease. I put concealer all over the lower lashes, and I think it came out a lot better. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a Sigma Pink Power Liner, and I'm going to use my Kevyn Aucoin Molten Magenta Sapphire. This is the Molten Lip, and it's really beautiful. I love it. Ooh. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go buy Ulta and I'm going to get my Madison Reed dye so that I can dye my hair. I'm going to go buy Raw Republic and get myself a nice smoothie and maybe something healthy there to eat. and I'm going to take you guys with me. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and talk to you guys later. Bye. Life happened and I never got to go to Ulta. I ended up having to go to close on my house today, which was a happy surprise. John and I finally closed on our house and we can't be happier. This is the back of the house. I didn't get a front photo of the house, but this is the tree that we have in our backyard, which is huge, and we're really happy. Thank you guys for watching.